Welcome to Alfie's Driving School. For today's video we're going to be covering Gallows Roundabout and Harold Hill. Hornchurch Test Centre does cover this roundabout. Very important that when we approach the roundabout we keep an eye out for the signposts and the road markings. Okay, let's move off. At the roundabout we're going to go towards Southend, and that's going to be the fourth exit off to the right. Anything after 12 o'clock we want to approach the roundabout and make sure we indicate right before we get to the roundabout. So we'll check our mirrors, indicate right shoulder and move over. Keep an eye out for the road markings as well. Checking our mirrors, indicating right just before the warning lines. As you can see, the A12 is the right hand lane. Approaching at a controlled speed, making sure we approach the right hand lane on the roundabout. Maintaining that lane position as we go round. It's important that we don't come out of our lane. Then indicate at the exit before the one that we want. So checking our mirrors, indicating left. Careful at the pedestrian crossing if of the pedestrians, keeping our slow speeds. Now we can increase our speeds. Checking our mirrors before we increase the speed when we go past the 40-mile-an-hour zone. It's important that you do that. If you have someone that's very impatient behind you, that might want to overtake us. Take our next left turn. You can see the speed limit changes as we join a new road. So when you're on a dual carriageway, when you come off the dual carriageway, always keep an eye out for the speed limit changing when you join a new road. That applies obviously if you come out to the end of the road as well. Looking ahead, you can see there's a signpost, a one-way signpost, so no need to indicate here. When we get to the next roundabout, we're going to go towards Gidea Park, and that's going to be the second exit off to the left. As you can see, that is A118. Looking ahead at the lights, no pedestrians at the lights. You can use the left or the centre lane to go towards the A118. We're in the left hand lane already, so we're going to stay in the left hand lane. When joining the roundabout, again make sure we position into the left hand lane on the roundabout. Indicate left at the exit before the one that we want. Just keeping a distance with the bus driver as well, just anticipating that the bus driver might pull up at the bus stop. We'll give ourselves enough clearance to go around the bus if they did stop at the bus stop. And at the traffic lights we'll take a left turn. Okay, that's the end of that video. I hope that was of great help.